Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Thinkorswim to Tradingview. Open Tradingview and pull up the chart you want to sync, then open Thinkorswim and prepare the data export. Find the overlay or webhook options, enable outgoing data, and choose a compatible format. Use a simple CSV or third-party bridge if needed, and test with a single symbol to confirm ticks match before scaling up your workflow. In this video, I will show how to connect Thinkorswim to Tradingview. First, authorize data sharing by creating an API token in Tradingview and store it securely. Then open Thinkorswim and locate the tool that exports data or sends webhook alerts. Paste the token where required and set appropriate scopes. Verify permission levels, keep keys private, and rotate them periodically to maintain a secure integration between platforms. In this video, I will show how to connect Thinkorswim to Tradingview. Run a targeted test by sending an alert or exporting a small data file and confirm it appears on the Tradingview chart. If the feed seems delayed, validate symbol formats, time zones, and time frame alignment. Inspect error logs for rejected requests and retry after fixing mismatches. Keep a checklist to repeat tests after changes to ensure the connection stays reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.